for today. Let's see how kindness can change hearts.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Sit down. So, let's start the class. Children, class gets over. Get up for the lunch break.
Yay! It's lunchtime!
Oh no, I forgot my lunchbox today. Don't worry, Tina. We can share my lunch. Why should anyone share? Everyone should bring their own food. Mom, sometimes helping others makes us happy too. After all, sharing is joy. I don't believe in sharing. Scene 2.
Let us go to play!
Ouch! My leg is hurt. Are you okay? Let me help you to get up. Here, use my water bottle, please. Down. Sit down. I will call the class teacher. What happened? Aman fell down, ma'am. Thank you, children, for helping Rahul. This is the true spirit of sharing. Do you understand now that sharing builds strong friendship? Yes, ma'am. Today I learned that sharing and helping are important. And it brings joy. I was rude to you all, but now I can see that you all are helping me. Thank you so much. Yes, friends help each other.
Yes, because sharing and helping others is a bliss.
I've got a toy I'll share with you. You can play and I will too. Smiles are brighter when we're kind. Sharing brings us joy to find. Sharing is caring, clap, clap, clap. Give a little love and get it back. Dance around, it feels so right. Sharing makes the world so bright. Blocks and crayons, books to read. Sharing gives us all we need. Take a turn and pass along. Sharing makes our friendship strong. Sharing is caring, clap, clap, clap. Give a little love and get it back. Dance around, it feels so right. Sharing makes the world so bright.
a special plate.